So again, here's our situation. We've got a square because it has to be as close to a square as possible to get a maximum area. And we're given that she has 38 meters of fencing for her garden. So we're required to find out what the width and the length is in order to maximize her garden. The formula we're going to use, since it's going to be a square, is we've got all four sides being added up. And we're going to substitute in the perimeter that's given in the question of 38, and we're going to try and solve to figure out what the side length would be of a square that would maximize this area. We'll rearrange this to solve. So we have 4s equal to 38. We need to get that s all by itself. We need to isolate it. To do that, we need to divide by the coefficient, or the number in front of the variable, which is 4. So we'll divide both sides by 4. When you divide 38 by 4, you're going to get 9.5 meters. But Grace, in this situation, has required that her dimensions can only be whole numbers. So we need to figure out what shape, or what are we going to do with the dimensions in order to get it still as close to a square as possible, but get her into whole numbers. So instead of having four sides of the garden being 9.5 each, we need to change the length and width just ever so slightly in order to get her some whole numbers.